All right, this is for you single people out there who are looking for a relationship. What you are going to do is you're going to take a piece of paper and you're going to write down all of the qualities that you are looking for in a partner. And then you're going to ask yourself, do I exhibit and embody all of the traits and qualities that I've written down? For example, you're looking for a partner who can validate you, who can have open communication, but you're not actually very good at having open and clear communication with other people and you struggle to do that. Your internal communication is off and you gaslight yourself or don't validate yourself. Most of what attracts people to other people, especially when they're unconscious, is something that they have suppressed within themselves that they are hoping to get closer to by being around that other person. And a lot of it leads to externalizing our power. And it also leads people to being very unhappy in relationships. And it leads to trauma bonds, because when we're not willing to do something for ourselves, we expect somebody else to fill that role. Chances are we're doing the same thing for them. We are filling a role for them that they are not willing to do for themselves, and that becomes very dysfunctional. Certainly we are meant to collaborate and come into unity with others, but it's the internal union that is the key to those harmonious relationships. Becoming your own greatest love makes you magnetic because you are existing within a state of love.